and welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. I know it's been a minute. Since I've made a video, but I'm back with a unboxing. This company, WinBridge, reached out to me and asked if I would review their amplifier and speaker. I said yes, because I use these every single day. Every single day in my classroom. Even after COVID and we had to cover our faces and we had to amplify our voices, I still use it after COVID, even though I'm not wearing a mask. So I'm gonna unbox this and share with you how to use it and all the cool features. Let's get started. Okay, so here's the product, and when you open it up, let's see. Woo! I ripped the box. That's not a big deal. Calm down. So anyway, okay, so we have the user manual. We have the headset. And we have the microphone. So these two connect, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll figure it out with you guys. Comes with charging cables, aux cord, or this is the charging cable. Okay, we'll figure this out. And it comes with this as well. So I can never have enough of these. Okay, and of course it comes with the speaker. Ooh. And it comes with, now this is what sold me on this. Not sold me on it, but made me say, yes, I want to do this. Because of this, the handheld microphone. This is so much fun. I love this. And in teaching, this comes in handy, and I'll show you how in a bit. And then it comes with the strap. And the strap, actually I'm gonna put it on. I just wear it around my neck a lot of the times. So let's add this on. Perfecto. And it adjusts. There you go. Some people like to wear it crossbody. I like to just put it around my neck like this in the classroom. And what I do a lot, what I use the amplifier for a lot is the speaker feature, because I play songs from YouTube or whatever, and it just, of course, amplifies the sound, right? It's a speaker. So that's how I wear it. Let me see if I can make this a little higher so you guys can see it. Oh, let me make it a little higher. There we go. That's better. Okay, so you guys can see it. Okay, so when you first get it, here are the buttons on the screen. Well, not on the screen, but at the top. So you're gonna have to press and hold the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth is connected.
It's connected. I opened this before, so I connected it because I wanted to know how to use this thing. So when you are on your device that you're connecting it to, it's going to be, it's called S92. And of course you can rename your device, but S92. Because if you're like me, you have a million different things that your Bluetooth could connect to. So S92, okay? So I am connected and use it as speaker. So let me show you how that works. So let me think of something that's, and you can press the plus button to make the volume go higher, louder. And quieter. Okay, so very loud sound. We have that. Now, the fun feature, the microphone. So you just turn it on, press and hold the button, and it's on. Now for me, it just works right away. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I believe the children are future. I cannot sing to save my life. But anyways, so much fun. And you know what I love this for? Karaoke, because you can play music and you can do your amplifier at the same time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come with me to the party, come with me to the dance. You are so precious, I want to see us dance. You are so sweet and precious. Freestyling. All right, so my sister and I and my mom, we love to do karaoke. If you go on YouTube, you can search for songs, different songs, and put karaoke. Perfect, because it amplifies it from the speaker and you have the microphone. So much fun. And this one, let me turn this off. And this also comes with, yeah, you just press and hold to turn it off, that button. It also comes with this. Now, this is the earpiece, and it comes in two different, two different pieces. So we have this, and we have this. So, there's like a thing that you connect to here. So you just kind of match them up, right? Easy peasy. Never done this before, but I imagine it's not going to be too tricky. I think you just slide it. Uh-oh. Yeah, you just slide it in. There we go. That was so easy. There you go. And then you put it on. Now, it has a switch, an on-off switch, and you just turn it to on, I would assume. Let's see if this is easy. Hello, hello? Am I connected? Testing 1, 2, 3. I am amplified. Let me see. Hello, testing. Okay, here I am again. And I'm gonna do it with the music. Let me change it to a different song now. Oh, I wonder if they both work at the same time. Let's test that out, if both microphones can work at the same time. So we can do double karaoke. Woo! Okay, fun, fun, fun. Okay. All right, let me get copyright-free music here. All right, let's try this one called Gold. Come with me through the forest, through the dark. We love to dance, we love to prance. Hello? Hello, hello? Hello, hello? No, I can't do both. I don't think I can do both. So much fun using it in the classroom. Like I said, pre-COVID, we used amplifiers all the time because we were wearing the mask. Post-COVID, I still use it mostly for the speaker to play different songs. And there's different apps that you can download where you can do interactive stories. So I've used the speakers for that. And also, if you have students in your class with hearing problems or even ADHD, because there's so many sounds and distractions in the classrooms that a lot of kids with ADHD just have a hard time focusing on you when you're doing a lesson. Amplifying your voice helps because your voice is more prominent, right? And so you're not competing with all these different sounds that could distract a lot of students. So very helpful in that sense. Love this for presentations. If you're having a morning meeting, the person who has the floor, they can take the microphone. The possibilities are endless, and it's just a fun addition to the classroom. Something special that you pull out every so often, and the kids love it. They love it. Who doesn't love a microphone? I do. So awesome. So if you're thinking about getting this, do it. I will link all the information down below of how you can get one of these, where you can order. And yeah, so much fun. And special thank you to WinBridge for sending this to me. It will be put to good use. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, go ahead and thumb it up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.